So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And if you're wondering why I'm dressed as the pink Power Ranger, Kimberly, I did just do a transformation tutorial and showcase up on my Patreon, which I will leave a link to down below. But as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be trying on a bunch more like Halloween costumes, fancy dress costumes, the works of it all. And also, as a quick side note and like update, don't worry, my Halloween series hasn't gone anywhere. I just wanted a couple of days to try and put some like more bits together, and a couple of looks coming up are like duos or trio kind of looks. So I want them like all done together so I can integrate them together in like the intro and like Patreon things to YouTube things. The works of it all, there's just a lot going on behind the scenes. I am a one-woman show, filming, editing, producing the works of it all myself. But yeah, don't worry, it is all coming soon. And let's try on a bunch of costumes, shall we? Also, I will try and find them and link them all down below. I am trying my best now to like always link to like down below my wig, my outfit, the works of it all will all be in the description box. And let's get into today's video before I carry on rambling, girl. I'm three energy drinks in today, as you can tell. So the first costume I picked up from Shein, and she's this cute little like strawberry princess dress. Honestly, I love anything with these kind of like capped poofy sleeves that's like Bardo style and just like a nice little frill to it. In the future though, I am planning to like rhinestone it and wear like a cage skirt under it and add like so much more fabric and volume and like drag it out. But honestly, this was literally like £12 from Shein, and I just thought it was a cute little strawberry princess dress, and you may see her in the future as a full-on transformation. So the next costume I picked up from eBay, and it is this full-on like pink pirate warrior princess look. Honestly, I'm so obsessed with like nautical themed things. I always wanted to be a marine biologist when I was younger and like sail the seven seas, be a full-on fantasy. And definitely next year at some point, I want to do a full-on like Siren of the Seven Seas kind of series of transformations and be like a sailor, be a pirate, be a siren, be a mermaid, be like the works of it all, which is literally why I picked this up in obviously my favorite color pink. So let me know what you think of her down below. And we're back with some Shein fancy dress costumes. Just like the previous kind of Siren of the Seven Seas series I'm planning to do next year, another series that I really want to incorporate into like a transformation month or something to do next year is like fairy tale fantasies. So I want to do like Goldilocks and Red Riding Hood and Robin Hood and like the works of it all. So I picked up this cute little like two-piece pink like little frilly gingham set, and I thought it'd be kind of cute to incorporate as like a Little Miss Muffet transformation or just like a cute little fairy tale like elven fantasy maid type of look. But yeah, honestly, I love the colour pink, and I think this was on sale when I shopped on Shein, so it was down to like £6, so I literally couldn't resist the bargain, girl. And I just thought it was a cute little set, and it's in my favourite colour, pink. Although I do still love chartreuse green, don't get it twisted, I am just in a full-on pink fantasy Barbie mood. To go with the previous costume I just showed you guys, also from Shein, I did pick up this cute little like Goldilocks looking dress for me. I mean, obviously you can use it for anything you want, but this just screams Goldilocks to me, and it kind of triggered that whole like fairy tale fantasy like series I have in my head. But I am tempted to like rhinestone a bear onto it and like make it very drag, very cutesy, but stick to that whole like fairy tale fantasy moment. And yeah, I really like dresses like this anyway, and just how they fit. Obviously in the future I will really like corset in my waist. I'll probably wear my breastplate and like serve a full-on porridge is just right fantasy with it. But yeah, I love a bear, I love a fancy dress costume, and let's combine it in the future, girl. So the next thing I did also pick up from Shein. Like I said, I will try my best to link everything down below, but I'm not gonna lie, I bought a lot of these costumes like 6-7 months ago when I was trying to like over-analyze and try and plan out my full Halloween series, which you know, typical me, I try so hard to plan it and then I never seem to execute it how I want, which is why I'm so delayed on it now. But the next thing I ended up picking up is this cute little like jester costume. I love the whole like Harley Quinn, Joker, clown kind of motif and like idea, so I definitely went a little bit ham and bought a lot of these kind of costumes. This year I'm not planning to do like any clown things, which you know, is ironic since this is like the fourth like clown jester costume I bought. But I just thought it was kind of cute how it was like a bodysuit with a little like hip applique moments, and I just really like the whole style and aesthetic of this kind of genre of looks. And we're back with another Shein fancy dress costume to go alongside my little potential future series of my fairy tale fantasy looks. So let me know if you want me to do that as a full-on like transformation series 1 month next year. But it is a super cute little Robin Hood costume. I love anything to do with Robin Hood. I'm literally like the county across from Nottingham, and I've been to Sherwood Forest so many times. I love that whole like styling and just aesthetic of it all. And I've already bought a bow and arrow that I'm planning to rhinestone to go with this look. But I just really like the style and fit of this, and it does also come with like a little cape and little hood moment and just serve you a full-on look all in one. And since it's from Shein, I think this was like £15 to £20, so a complete and utter bargain, and I'm just praying to God it fits me and looks cute, since I am determined to do that fairy tale fantasy series now with all these looks. And then the final costume I picked up from eBay, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I am a huge gamer. I have been since I was a little kid, and one of the first games I ever played and was like fully addicted to and played all the way through was The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time. So I couldn't help but pick up this super cute little Legend of Zelda Link like kimono costume. Obviously it's not the exact version of what like Link would wear, but I thought it'd be a cute little like drag spin on it to have like a cute little flowy like kimono skirt moment to wear a thigh high like long brown stiletto and give you a full-on drag fantasy version of Link. But I honestly really want to incorporate this into this year's Halloween series, but don't worry girl, there's plenty of other looks coming. I have like delayed a couple, so there'll be some into November too, but honestly this was like the look that I was so close to incorporating into this year's series. So let me know if you want me to like do it as a future transformation, since I am planning to do another series. I know this is a lot of like pre-planning, but that is how my brain works. I am planning to do like a Queens of Cosplay series at some point in the future and incorporate like a bunch of different cosplay looks, or I could potentially wear this for like next Halloween if you guys want. So yeah, let me know what you think of this costume down below. Honestly this was the most expensive out of the looks I bought, but there was just something about it that I knew I needed, and I knew I had to do it like some point in the future. So yeah, let me know what you think of her down below. Also don't know why it comes with little plastic bits. Fuck knows, girl. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little like trying on fancy dress Halloween costumes. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which look was your favourite, and don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. Like I said, I am planning to resume my Halloween series either tomorrow or Friday. I am just trying to film a couple, integrate them together and like do the works of it all. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next look. Thanks for watching. Bye. Literally nothing came out. Good tongue pop outro finally. Bye.